It's a story that feels straight out of a Bollywood film, but unfortunately this one is playing out in real life. Actor Rajpal Yadav, known for making millions laugh with films like Hangama and Chup Chup Ke, is once again in the spotlight, but this time for a serious legal battle. The Delhi High Court has now reserved its judgment in his long-running check bounce case after rejecting his request for more time. And honestly, this case has been dragging on for years now. Let's rewind a bit. Back in 2010, Rajpal Yadav had taken a loan of rupees 5 crore from a company called Murli Projects to produce his film Ata Pata Lapata. It was a passion project, but things didn't go as planned. The film didn't perform well, and over time, with interest and penalties, the amount reportedly ballooned to nearly 9 crore. Now here's where things got complicated. 7 checks issued by Rajpal reportedly bounced, and that brought the case under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Fast forward to 2024, a trial court actually convicted Rajpal Yadav and his wife Radhika, sentencing them to 6 months in jail. That verdict didn't just stay there, it was upheld by a sessions court as well. Since then, it's been a back and forth of appeals, payments and deadlines. In February 2026, Rajpal surrendered after missing payment commitments, but then got interim relief after depositing rupees 1.5 crore. He later claimed that he had repaid around 4.25 crore in total, but the remaining amount still pending. And that's where things took a sharp turn recently, when his legal team asked the High Court for another 30 days to arrange the remaining 6 crore rupees. Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma refused to extend any more time and reserved the judgment. The court also reportedly pointed out the inconsistency in his stance, sometimes promising full repayment and at other times seeking more delays. So now, everything hangs in the balance. From being one of Bollywood's most loved comic actors to facing a prolonged legal battle, it's been quite a journey for Rajpal Yadav. Fans still remember his iconic comic timing, but this case has definitely cast a shadow over his career in recent years. The big question now is, what happens next? Will there be a last-minute settlement, or will the court's final verdict take a tougher stand? For now, all eyes are on the judgment.